Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Bong Quinto, and our winning coach, Coach Luigi Trillo. I'll start with you, Coach. Another close game, but what were you able to do this time around? Something that you failed to do the past two games that you're able to secure a victory?
Yeah, well, the game before that, I thought we also played well. You know, we got a 15-point lead. You know, we had a couple of breakdowns, but, you know, Coach Nenad preaches a lot of things, and he doesn't get a lot of recognition with the things he does. I thought we had a good game plan again today. We were more solid all around. And against Ginebra, it's like that. You know, that's why you appreciate this type of games. Ginebra-Meralco, right? There's such a rivalry. I thought we had to bear down, led by this guy. No, but you know, I said it's not over, and you know, this is what we want, the Game 7.
Coach, last season's Philippine Cup, the Bolts also forced a Game 7 in a semifinal series against San Miguel. With that experience, what are the chances of the Bolts in trying to make their first Philippine Cup finals appearance?
Yeah, sana kami naman. It's good for the league. I think we've earned it. You know, we have a lot of respect for Ginebra and what they do, and you know it's gonna be hard. You know, we've been there. The last 8 conferences, you know, we've been there for 6 semifinals. That's very hard to do. These guys know what it is. They're veterans as well. So, you know, we have to just focus on that last game. And, you know, it's a treat for the PBA fans because it's, I think, the first time Sir Fidel said over there the first time that it'll be out of town. So I think it's a good thing for the PBA to have it out of town.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Bong, the past games, although you were doing a decent job on defense, offensively, not as much. But this game, it's very evident how you're more aggressive. You could share with us the approach you had and somehow the change in mentality?
Una, masalamat muna ako kay Lord sa panalo namin. And syempre, shoutout sa wife ko. Nanonood siya ngayon dyan sa nasa labas. So, yeah. Yun nga, syempre, sobrang naglalagay din ako ng pressure sa sarili ko kasi gusto ko talaga maka-help sa team namin. So, yun lang, ang mindset ko lang, gaya ng sabi nila coach sa amin na bigay na namin lahat kasi kung matalo kami, wala na kaming viewing bukas. So ako, yun na yung ginagawa ko, bahala na. Basta bibigay ko lahat ng makakaya ko para makatulong ako sa team kasi alam ko naman na makakatulong ako sa team. Nakikita ko naman kasi pinaghirapan ko naman din yun. Ayun, nag-prepare talaga ako para dito.
Your veterans, Chris Newsome, had a really great start. Alain, even CB. Gaano kalaking bagay for you and the rest of the guys seeing how they led and really showed how determined and how much they wanted to bring you guys to a Game 7?
Kagaya kanina. So, kung makikita nyo, talagang nilapitan ko yung mga veterans namin, si Kuya Nu, tsaka si Kuya Alain. Sabi ko, wala na, nagkakrams na talaga ako. Sabi ko, kayo na yan. Kasi kumbaga yung game na mga ganyang situation talaga, dapat sila yung mga tumatapos eh. So, ako talaga, backup lang ako sa kanila kung anong kaya kong matulong sa kanila. Kuya Clip, grabe, di ba? Nakikipaglabanan talaga, mga bigs namin. Hirap na kami kalastan. Pero, yun nga, back to zero kami. Like, do or die na kami sa Friday, tapos one day lang yung pahinga, preparation mo. So, para sa akin talaga, kung sinong may gusto, yun yung makukuha ng panalo.